Welcome to the heart of Renaissance Florence, a city that boasts an unrivaled blend of art, culture, and history. Here, every cobblestone whispers stories of centuries past. Every building is a testament to human creativity, and every piazza is a stage for cultural exchange. Florence, or Firenze as the locals call it, is a treasure chest of experiences waiting to be unlocked. So, buckle up, art enthusiasts and history buffs. It's time to delve into the top 12 things to do in this Italian masterpiece of a city. Begin your journey with the Uffizi Gallery, a treasure trove of Renaissance art. Born from the grand vision of the Medici family in the 16th century, the Uffizi is now a world-renowned sanctuary of art and culture. Home to masterpieces from legendary artists like Botticelli, Leonardo, and Michelangelo, it's a testament to the creative explosion that was the Renaissance. Fun fact, the Uffizi was designed by Giorgio Vasari, a notable artist himself. A visit to the Uffizi Gallery is like stepping into a time machine, transporting you back to the Renaissance era. Next, marvel at the architectural wonder that is the Duomo. This magnificent cathedral, with its stunning exterior of pink, white, and green marble, houses an equally grand interior. The view from the dome, a masterpiece of design and engineering, offers an unparalleled panorama of Florence. But it's not just about the beauty. The Duomo embodies the spirit of the Renaissance, a period of unprecedented human achievement. The Duomo, a testament to human ingenuity and creativity, stands tall as the city's crown jewel. Cross the Ponte Vecchio, a bridge that's more than just a passage. It's a timeless testament to Florence's past, adorned with vibrant shops that have been there for centuries. Imagine walking along the same path as the Medici family once did, browsing through goldsmiths and jewelers housed within the bridge's unique structure. The Ponte Vecchio is not just a bridge, but a bustling marketplace and an enduring symbol of the city's resilience. The Ponte Vecchio, a symbol of Florence's resilience and charm, is a must-visit. Escape to the tranquil Boboli Gardens. This verdant paradise, nestled in the heart of Florence, is a treasure trove of grand sculptures, lush landscapes, and centuries-old oak trees. Steeped in history, these gardens were once the playground of the Medici family. They boast an impressive collection of artwork, including Roman antiquities and Renaissance statues. As you meander through this green sanctuary, let its serene ambience enchant you. The Boboli Gardens, a green oasis amidst Florence's urban landscape, offer a serene retreat. Witness the majesty of Michelangelo's David at the Accademia Gallery. A treasure trove of Renaissance art, the gallery traces its roots back to the 18th century. Born as a teaching facility for artists, it soon became a sanctuary for significant art pieces. Besides the iconic David, it also houses Michelangelo's Unfinished Prisoners, a poignant expression of human struggle. These masterpieces, along with a vast collection of Gothic and Renaissance paintings, truly make this gallery a haven for art enthusiasts. The Accademia Gallery, home to some of Michelangelo's finest works, is a testament to his genius. Step into history at the Palazzo Vecchio. This imposing fortress palace, with its crenellated tower soaring over Florence, is an architectural marvel. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of Renaissance art, from the frescoes of Giorgio Vasari to the genius of Michelangelo. Once the heart of Florentine power, it's a testament to the city's political and cultural dominance during the Renaissance. The Palazzo Vecchio, a symbol of Florence's rich history, offers a fascinating glimpse into the city's past. Indulge in the tantalizing flavors of Florentine cuisine. Imagine biting into a juicy bistecca alla Fiorentina, a traditional Tuscan steak seasoned with nothing but salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Or savor the simplicity of papa al pomodoro, a hearty bread and tomato soup. You'll find these classics and more at local trattorias and osterias, where the food is as warm and inviting as the people. Florentine cuisine, a delightful blend of simplicity and flavor, is a gastronomic adventure not to be missed. Explore the artistic splendor of the Bargello Museum. Home to a remarkable array of Renaissance sculptures and other significant artworks, the Bargello stands as a testament to Florence's rich artistic heritage. Its history echoes with the stories of master artists whose works adorn its walls and halls. From Donatello to Michelangelo, The museum is a treasure trove that transports you back to the vibrant Renaissance era. The Bargello Museum, with its exquisite collection, is a paradise for art enthusiasts. Embark on a sensory journey with a Chianti wine tour. Picture rolling vineyards, bathed in the golden Tuscan sun, where the art of winemaking has been perfected for centuries. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of flavors as you taste the fruits of this tradition. From bold, full-bodied reds to light, crisp whites, each glass tells a story, a testament to the region's dedication to quality and taste. A Chianti wine tour, a celebration of Tuscan wines, is a must for wine lovers. Pay homage at the Basilica of Santa Croce, the final resting place of many notable figures. This stunning Gothic church, adorned with intricate frescoes and sculptures, brims with history. Within its hallowed walls lie the tombs of illustrious individuals such as Michelangelo, Galileo, and Machiavelli. Each artwork in the basilica tells a unique story, contributing to the rich tapestry of Florentine culture. The Basilica of Santa Croce, a monument to Florence's luminaries, is a site of reverence and admiration. Experience the magic of opera at the Teatro del Maggio Musicale Fiorentino. Here, the enchanting music and dramatic performances blend seamlessly with the theater's captivating architecture, creating a symphony of sensory delight. The Teatro del Maggio is an emblem of Florence's rich cultural tapestry, boasting a legacy of inspiring performances that span over many decades. It's not just a theater, it's a testament to the city's enduring love for the arts. The Teatro del Maggio Musicale Fiorentino, a beacon of Italian opera, is a feast for the senses. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the San Lorenzo market. A bustling hub of activity, it's a place where the rhythm of local life comes alive. From fresh produce to artisanal crafts, the variety here is astounding. It's a symphony of colors, scents, and sounds, with vendors calling out their wares and the chatter of bargaining echoing through the air. Truly, the San Lorenzo market isn't just a place to shop. It's a slice of Florentine culture. The San Lorenzo market, the heart of Florence's local life, is a colorful and lively experience. Florence, a city that is a work of art in itself, has so much to offer. From the awe-inspiring Uffizi Gallery to the majestic Duomo, from the charming Ponte Vecchio to the tranquil Boboli Gardens. Not to mention the Accademia Gallery, Palazzo Vecchio, the unique local cuisine, the Bargello Museum, the Chianti wine tour, the Basilica of Santa Croce, the Teatro del Maggio Musicale Fiorentino, and the bustling San Lorenzo market. So pack your bags and set off on an unforgettable journey to explore the myriad charms of Florence.